My Boya M1 new mic is not working in my Android device. So hello guys, namaste everyone, welcome to the SR Tech, another new video. So if you also have same problem, if you have buy this Boya M1 mic, this collar microphone, you can see right now in my collar. So if this mic is not working or not supporting in your Android device, then what is the solution of this? How can you make it work? Because in many Android phone this Boya mic is not supporting, because in many Android smartphone there is no any option of external microphone feature in many Android devices. So how can you solve this problem? If this Boya mic is not working, how can you solve or how can you fix this? And you can easily record your any video with this Boya M1 mic, and it will be 100% working in your any Android device if you use my today's video trick. And if you have not watched my previous video in which I have unboxed and review of this new Boya mic, because I have bought this mic recently, and in that video I have already told you if this Boya mic is not supporting with your Android device, then I will make a new video for this specific task. So if you have not watched that video, then watch it from my I button or description link. So what is the trick to make this Boya M1 working into your any Android device? Now I will gonna teach you. So keep watching this video till end, and if you are new in this channel, then please share, subscribe and like for my latest videos updates. So without wasting any time, let's move to the trick. So friends, if this Boya mic is not working in your Android device, then you need to install one application. You have to use that to connect this Boya mic. Just go to your Play Store, and here you have to search one application, Open Camera. So this is the application guys, Open Camera. So just you need to install this application, because from only this application Open Camera it will be work your Boya M1 new mic. So I install this Open Camera. Okay, this application has been installed. So now you have to do your video recording of your YouTube videos or any content from this Open Camera application. Just open this. Okay, allow all the permissions, terms and conditions. Okay, allow. So now you can record full HD quality videos also. So you have to allow all the permissions here, and then just now you have to click on this settings. You can see this settings. So here is also my Boya mic in the side. So just you have to click on this settings, just tap on this and just scroll down, and now you can see video settings option is here, video settings. So just click on this video settings, and after you click on this video settings, now just scroll down and you'll see one another option, audio source. So you have to tap on this audio source option, and you have to select this external mic. External mic, this option will be seen here. So just you have to select this external mic if present, and after you select this audio source into external mic, now you can connect your Boya mic in your mobile phone. So after you select this option into external mic, just done. Okay, I have selected into external mic. Just you have to select this option, audio source into external mic. So now after you select this option, you can connect your any external mic in your Android mobile phone. So I just insert this my Boya M1 mic. Okay, so I insert this my Boya M1 mic, and now I can easily do video recording from this application. From this Open Camera application, you need to do video recording from this Boya M1 mic. So always use this application guys, Open Camera, and select this option external mic, and you can do your video recording with this Boya M1 mic. And this audio quality also, it is very much good. So this is very budgetful mic. This is the process to connect your Android phone into Boya mic. So I hope you like this trick. If you like this video, then please share, subscribe and like. So bye bye guys.